Please do not skip the ads. We will have an English speaking challenge today. For the eye bag.
Okay.
Hello mga kakeme! Welcome back to my channel! Welcome back to my vlog! Baliwan lang at good vibes for more! So ito na naman si Keme Martin na walang keme-keme! And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell button na rin. And today meron tayong pa Jollibee! I love you, Salvador! We will have an English speaking challenge today. Of course, for the benefit of for our locals here in Singapore. Okay, I'll do my best to speak in simple English and Tagalog English. In order for them to order from Jollibee. In order for them to order. Ano yun, girl? Because we want to promote our very own Filipino proud food chain, restaurant. Yes. Made in Philippines. And yeah, this is a great news because of course Jollibee is here in Singapore with lots of branches already, and we will do a food review with this very trending crispylicious, juicylicious, the Nasi Lemak Chickenjoy. Nasi Lemak cost $5 for the a la carte, and we would like Jollibee is wanted to I don't know what to say anymore. Jollibee want to adopt those local foods here in SG. What is Nasi Lemak, children? Chicken with coconut rice, ikan bilis, and sambal. Gusto niyo yun? What is nasi? Nasi balasi. Charot. Nasi is a Malay word for rice. Oh, and there's a chicken joy. You know, Jollibee has chicken joy right there. So I'm sure we're all excited to try this Jollibee chicken joy Nasi Lemak. Oh my gosh, let's try it now, guys. And makan times. Diva? Singaporean wants very wrong box. This one. Ta-da! Okay. Here it is. Oh my gosh. We have, of course, our Jollibee Chickenjoy. Which is very crispylicious. Because it's crispy and it's juicylicious.
Wow!
We have our bilis, and of course the chili. Out the rice, coconut rice. It's so super nice. This is the sambal chili. Smallest fish ever. The ikan dilis. They have egg, yeah, but it's not fried. They have the boiled egg only. It's Jollibee's Chickenjoy is the best. And then mix it with sambal. Really delicious. It's always good to try new one because, of course, whenever you eat Chickenjoy, gravy should be there. But this time, you try it with sambal. It's very nice.
Wow!
So guys, try nyo na rin ang crispylicious, juicylicious Nasi Lemak Chickenjoy. What to do with this? For the eye bag. And of course, Jollibee also offers chicken spaghetti.
5
sweet style spaghetti sauce. We also have the burger steak. Then you pour the gravy sauce. Jolly hot dog.
Jumbo hot dog, kaya mo ba to?
I love hot dog.
Jumbo hot dog, kaya mo ba to?
We have our yum burger. This is very yummy. Wow. Try this also, guys. I love Jollibee so much. Langhap sarap all the time. You know what sarap means? It means delicious, like me. So try it for yourself or by yourself. Try nyo na lang. Try it. See for yourself. See for yourself. Taste for yourself. Okay. So now, as a way of saying thank you, I'll be having this raffle game. All you have to do is just to watch this video from start to end. Please do not skip the ads. Comment below on my YouTube channel. You know, what can you say about this video? Or if you already tried the Nasi Lemak, put your comments below also. Okay? Then, if you're gonna be picked, you'll win a surprise gift. Gusto nyo yan? You like that? I like it! Again, thank you so much for watching my vlogs. And please don't forget to click like and subscribe and hit the bell button. So ito na naman si Keme Martin na walang keme-keme. Lafang ng lafang! Chickenjoy!
Isa pa ang Chickenjoy!
Jollibeee! Yeah!
Go naman, go!
Yeah! Kain! Harap!
Go naman, go!
Thank you so much po. Thank you very, very much because ang Kemi Martin Vlogs channel is now monetized channel! Yeah! I'd like to say thank you sa mga naging bahagi ng aking buhay. Char! ng aking pagpa-vlog. Una na sa'yo, Kaloy, my friend. And sa mga housemate ko, napaka-supportive nyo talaga. Jenna, oh Mars, thank you ha. Sa mga co-vloggers natin, kay Ate Jill, inspirasyon ko kayong lahat. Ang paluto sa SG, thank you very much po. Dar, thank you. And of course, ang 150 boys, ano ba yan? Thank you very, very much talaga sa inyong lahat. Lahat kayo naging parte ng YouTube journey ko na ito. Wow!